So yes, hello everyone. Mag-English ta dong ha. We're going to speak English now because my nephew Dodong cannot understand Bisaya. Kaya Bisaya man din si Kandin siya. So for today's video, we're going to speak English. Is that okay, Dodong? Huh?
Of course, yes.
Oh, she said of course yes. So guys, today is Sunday and we have this karet. We have this karet and the sack, and Dodong also has a sibot. So may English sa sibot, Dong? So well, anyway, seriously, we are going to harvest a lychee or a rambutan. Rambutan. So make it faster, Dodong. That is Dodong. So this is my farm. Okay. So I have a coconut here. So we're going to, what we are going to do today, Dodong, is to harvest a rambutan. Look at Dodong. He is now starting to harvest the rambutan. See? This is very, very fresh. Let's eat muna, Dodong. Well, let's going to eat first a rambutan. So guys, come with us with Dodong. Dodong don't know how to speak Bisaya because Dodong is English. Okay? Okay, Dodong? So Dodong is now getting the rambutan. Okay, and I also now going to harvest. We will show you. This is our product. Let's show to them, Dong, how to harvest, okay? So how old are you, Dong?
13 years old.
310 years old.
Grabe ka po.
Hola, muchas gracias, saludos Pilipinas. La granjilla y fruta. We're here. So let's get first. Look how to harvest, guys, using this like that. Fell down siya. Wait lang, babe, butang sa nato na. So I have already harvested some. Just a few, but let's taste it. Oh. Dodong is now climbing. Go, Dodong. Go, go, go. Be careful. Hindi na ka makabalik sa Amerika, Dong. Hindi na ka. So he's now harvesting our very Dodong. Look at the Dodong. Eat, Dong. Eat. You have to eat the rambutan. Okay? Tastes very sweet. This is very, very fresh fruit. The best. The best of all the best. Look, guys, this is, you just pull it down and then you get this. Look, harvest there, and you can also eat. Very fresh. Very fresh rambutan. See? Aray. Naana mi diri sa puno, guys. With Dodong. Naghay si Dodong. So many fruits. English lagi, Dong. Speak English ba? You have to speak English. So magkuha pa tayo. Ay, let's get more. Okay? Ano ba? Na dire. Let's get more. Silukon mo, Dong. Bawa ko ng sanga. Diba? Is that an okay idea, Dudong?
Okay.
Are you okay with that? Guys, we're going to harvest this because there's a lot of thief. Mga kawatan dito ng prutas. At ako mabiraan dun. Super hirap ng guys. Hindi na kumakaon doon. Eh, wah, mandi. Bila ini siapa sumpit doon. Well, I think sometimes that I will going to hire a sorcerer. Magkukulam nga sa Philippines for those who are going to eat our fruits here. So, ipa-black magic ko. Black magic ko siya. Careful din. Carry the fall. Matalit-talit. So, we're going to get one sack, Dodo. One sack. One sack of rambutan. You can? Can you give me one? At least one or two. I want to eat. Crack!
Kamu lagi mau panik dulu.
Because the bat,
Baik siguro.
the bats and the birds are also eating. So, they're part of our habitat and our ecosystem dong. So, go and go and go.
Wow.
Good. Para pa dong. Okay, good. So guys, so tired. Very. No? So mao na mong kuha na mo guys. Yun. So, we are going to put this in the sack. Because guys, we are going to sell this in the school. And then, yes, we sell this in the school. So, also Dodong has the small sack. And I also have this big sack. Still many left over there. So let's get back the next day. Once this is sold out, then we will go into harvest again. Okay? So thank you so much for watching. Muchas gracias mi amigo, mi amiga, por apoyarme en mi video. Gracias. Adios.